To adjust the panels in your workspace, you can first of all resize them by hovering your mouse cursor over any intersection. The cursor will change and then you can left click and drag to resize all of the connected panels to that border. Here, for example, we can click and drag on this intersection to adjust the size of the outliner and properties panels. If we hover over this intersection and right click, we'll get a variety of additional options. For example, we can create a vertical split to divide up the properties panel into two smaller panels. We can also right click and join these areas together. So we can create a vertical or horizontal split. We can join up or join down depending on which panel we want to maintain. Or we could even swap areas with this option here, which will in this example swap the properties panel with the outliner panel.